Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Yvonne, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a quick little Dyson review. I did purchase the Dyson Airwrap I want to say like a month ago, and I finally had time to sit down and do this review for you guys, just because I know some of you guys were interested in me doing a little review. So with that being said, let's get started. So to begin, the Dyson Airwrap Styler does retail for $549.99, so like pretty much $550, and after taxes it was like $590, close to $600. I did buy it off of their website, and it was kind of hard to get because every time I would go on there it was out of stock, and same with like I know Sephora sells them and it was out of stock, and then like one day I just randomly go on and like it was in stock. And I was like, you know what, I gotta get it. But anyway, so it comes in two colors, and I got the black one and purple, and I know there's like a fuchsia and like nickel or silver. But anyways, I wanted the black and purple one. And it comes in like this big old like leather case. It's really heavy, it's really sturdy, and it does say Dyson. And then like the stitching is purple, so it does match the styler. And once you open it, inside it's lined with velvet, which is really nice. The only thing that sucks is that like hair and dust get really it attracts a lot of dust and hair. But when you first open it, it does come with this thing that just fell out when I opened it. It's like the little heat pad, so you put your Dyson on there so it doesn't like burn your counter or whatever. And it does come with like the Dyson right here, and it does come with all the tools. And so I'm gonna just put it down because I'm gonna show you guys all the tools. It does come with quite a bit of tools. It does come with like the little dryer one that helps your hair dry. And then it does have like the round brush. This is one of my favorite tools, attachments that I've used the most. And it does come with two of these brushes. This one with the purple little dots, I don't know if you can see them, but it does, like the tips have little purple dots on it. This one is the soft smoothing brush, so it makes your hair a little bit straighter without too much frizz, and also the little dots they're a little bit easier on the scalp. And then this one is a firm smoothing brush, which is pretty much almost the same, it just doesn't have the little purple round ends. And this one just almost the same thing. It gives your hair that straighter look, and it also helps with frizz, so your hair has less frizz afterwards and fewer flyaways. But these are some of my favorite ones. Besides the round brush, these two are one of my favorites. And it does come with little round curler thingies attachments. This one is I do have it opened up on my phone just because I don't remember the name of them right at the top of my head. This one is, oh, I just lost it. These are the 1.2 Airwrap curlers, and at first I thought it was weird. I was like, why did they send me two of the exact same ones? But once you look closely, you see the little arrows on them, and that is the direction in which your hair is going to be curled, which is pretty interesting because in a normal curling iron you just wrap your hair a different direction versus having to switch attachments. But I haven't really tried these to style my whole hair. I did try like a little section just to see how it would work, and it worked amazingly. It didn't take that long. But yeah, it does have two different attachments because they're both different directions. And it also comes with the 1.6 inch barrels, and same thing, they have the little arrows on them, so it tells you which direction the curl is gonna go. These are a little bit longer and they're a lot thicker than the other ones. These are a little bit shorter. But yeah, it comes with these, and then the Dyson, and it has a little section that you lift up on the box. Let me show you guys real quick. I guess I should show you instead of just telling you. But anyways, okay, so it does have like the Dyson wrap in here, and then you lift this little compartment, and this is where you store the cable. And it does come with a little filter cleaner, which is really easy to clean, not that hard. But anyways, this is what the Dyson looks like. It's very sleek, it's not heavy. And it does this where the air comes out, and it does have different settings. So this one right here is where you want to either cold like medium heat or like high heat, and I usually keep it between like the medium. Every now and then I do use the really high heat, and then this one, it's like either low, medium, or high depending on how much air you want to come out. And then obviously your on and off button, and then also this one's just like a quick flash of like cold air if you just want to, and then you just go like that. And then the filters right here, which is really easy to clean. The cable itself is pretty long and thick. Like it has like this little box too, and like this big old thingy. But I mean, I haven't had any issues with this, so I'm just gonna go ahead and plug it in. And to show you guys, I'm gonna start with like drying my hair a little bit. Most of it's like dried on top, but the bottom is a little bit wet, so I'm gonna start with that. And then I'm gonna round brush it just so it can give it more volume, and then we'll go in with one of the curling irons. I haven't really tried these that much, so it'll be a little learning experience with you guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and plug this in, and then I'll be right back. All right, so I was talking and I totally forgot to press record, and I showed you guys how this sounds, so I guess I have to do it again. So this is what it's already plugged in. This is what it sounds like. I want to say it's not any louder than your normal hair dryer, but it is, I want to say it's a little bit more powerful just because it has a big old cord and it has different settings. But this is what it sounds like. But yeah, and then I already started putting product in my hair before I realized I didn't hit the record button. I did go in with this leave-in conditioner from Pureology, and this is their 21 Essential Benefit Multitasking Leave-In Spray. And I also put in a little bit of this Cheek Keratin Silk infusion to like help my hair not to get damaged. And I was putting it in when my camera turned off, and I was like, why did it turn off? But because I didn't hit record. All right, and then I'm gonna go in with this Kenra Platinum Blow Dry spray, and I just so those are my dogs, Luna and Simba. So I'm just gonna go in with the spray and spray it all over my hair. And this one smells so good. And I did get this spray from my hairstylist. She really recommended it, and it smells really good. I want to say it smells like almost like cotton candy in a way, like sweet, if it makes sense. And then lastly, I'm going to go in with this orchid oil treatment to help with my frizzy hair, because I've noticed my hair just gets frizzier when I'm going to dry it. Like it just gets humid, like the humidity just makes my hair super frizzy. All right, so I'm gonna first just dry it a bit because the bottom of my hair is a little damp. So I'm gonna start it off at like the medium setting and keep it at that medium, like, I don't know if you can see it, but right there, like not the highest heat setting, but like the medium or low. And I'm just gonna go and I'm just gonna blow dry my hair. And it comes out from this side, not this side, but yeah. Okay, so my hair was already like pretty damp, so it didn't take that much. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and go in with like the round brush, and to eject it, there's like a little button on the back that you just press down and it ejects the thing. Pretty easy. And then you just, and it does have like the little grooves right here where the attachments just kind of click on. You just, I guess I didn't even show you guys how it just goes on, but you just like click it on and that's it. And when I'm gonna round brush my hair, I like to separate it into sections because it's a lot easier for me to like manage it versus trying to do my entire hair and then having it get tangled all over again. I'm just like using these little clips just to separate it and hold it. So I'm gonna keep it at the exact same setting and just start going. how it looks. It's pretty soft. I feel like it has a little bit of volume, a little bit of, you know, curves here and there. I did try to like round, like when I was like round brushing it, like curving in, taking in the ends like that, and also starting at the roots, getting close to the roots as much as I could, just to kind of give it that like oomph. But someone had asked if it tugs, and it doesn't tug on your hair. It's very gentle. It doesn't burn. Obviously it does have all these settings that you can control, but I feel like at the lowest setting, like heat setting, is more than enough for me, unless I'm in a rush and trying to do it quick. Then the highest setting is more than enough. But other than that, I just keep at the low heat setting and like the medium fan setting. And now I'm just gonna go in with this 1.6 inch barrel, and it's the one that, and it, yeah, like the arrows on the screen throw me off, because when I look at it from this side, it's like they're going that way, but on the screen they're going that way. But yeah, I'm gonna do this one, and I haven't tried this one, so I am kind of nervous to see how it'll turn out with the entire hair, but yeah, we'll see how it is. Alright, so now I'm just gonna section off my hair, start with the bottom. But like I was saying, I haven't tried curling my entire hair with the Dyson Styler, with the Dyson Airwrap Styler. I did just try a little section and it worked. So I'm just gonna do it as I normally do it. Okay, I don't think I left it on there long enough, but this is what it did. Just a tiny little curl, so I'm gonna try it again and leave it on there a little bit longer. See if that helps. Okay, so leaving it on there a little bit longer does help. Now I have like, it's more defined, it's bouncy, so hopefully it lasts. And now I'm just gonna move on to the next little section, and so on. Okay, so this is one side of my hair curled. It does feel a little weird trying to like curl it, because like it grabs the hair by itself and you're just supposed to like pull it. There's no need to like twist the hair. You just let it wrap around the curling iron and then just get it closer to your head. So it's a little hard getting used to it, but I mean, they're like very nice, like light little curls. I think I might have to like go back and retouch some of them, just because my hair doesn't really hold a curl that well. So might just have to do that, but I mean, it does take a while to get used to it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other side, and then I'll be right back. Okay, for some reason this side of my hair seems to be holding the curl a lot better than this side. I have no idea why. I did go back and retouch some of these, but it's kind of like the same thing. I didn't switch out the barrel, so they're all going to be facing the same direction. It's just, you know, I just wanted to test it out. But I feel like if I was to be actually doing my hair for work, then yeah, I would probably switch out the barrels and stuff. But for now, I mean, I'm really liking this side. Like the curl is more like full, and over here it's more towards the bottom, but I think that's just my hair, not the Dyson. So I'm just gonna go ahead and finish off my hair, and then I'll be right back. So I'm done curling my hair, and obviously this side seems a lot more voluminous, has more big, like poofy, not poofy, but like bigger curls. For some reason the side of my hair was holding them better compared to this side. But here, let me move you guys so you guys can see them a little bit better in the light. This is how they look. Get a little better. So pretty much my hair did hold them up pretty good, except for this side of my hair. I have no idea what's going on, but this side of my hair is holding them pretty good. I feel like towards the end I kind of got the hang of it, and it didn't take me as long to do a curl. I think at most it was like maybe what, 15 seconds or so. I was counting, like, you know, 1 2 3, and I would let go. I did go back and retouch some of these, like right here and then right here, because like I said, for some reason this side of my hair isn't holding it. But overall Oh, and also they're all like facing the same direction just because I didn't switch out the barrel just for the purpose of this video. But if I was to be doing this for work or going out, then obviously yes, I would change it out. But overall, I'm pretty happy with how it turned out for it being my first time trying out the curling barrels. They do feel very light, very fluffy, like not fluffy, but like very airy. I am happy with how it turned out. I really like it. I did spray this the Playa New Day mist just to kind of hold it together. But overall, I'm really excited. I'm really happy with how it turned out. I just do need to practice a little bit more with the curling my hair, just because it does throw me off a little bit, like because it grabs the hair by itself. But other than that, I mean, I've been loving the Dyson. Like I said, I've used all the other attachments besides the curling ones. But yeah, like I was saying, this has made my hair routine a lot easier in the morning. I mean, I still put it up in a bun every now and then, but I feel like with this, it's just easier to style. Price wise, it is up there. Like, it's a lot for a Dyson, but I feel like if you're gonna use it every day or like use it really often, I think it is worth it. It's supposed to like keep your hair a little bit healthier, because it doesn't use as much heat compared to like, I guess, other straighteners or other like hair dryers or something. But I feel like if you're gonna use it every day, then yes, it's worth it. But if you're not gonna use it, or if you're only gonna use it like every now and then it's not worth paying like $550 for something that you're only gonna use like once or twice a month. But I mean, it's totally up to you. I really like it. I feel like it's changed my hair routine a lot. It does make it a lot easier. It doesn't take that long to style. I do need to practice though with the curling barrels, just because it's a lot different. But for the most part, I mean, I am really happy with how my hair turned out. Very flowy, very light. Other than that, I mean, just do your own research and then determine whether it's the best fit for you or not. But I really like it, and I'm really happy that I got it. And I did get the black and purple one. This is the one that I did want. I didn't want the pink one. But yeah, other than that, that was it for this video. And hopefully this video kind of helps you out to determine whether you want to get it, or maybe you're just watching it just because. But either way, thank you so much for being here, and before you leave, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. Also, please don't forget to subscribe. I would love for you to join my little YouTube familia, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.